हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। Today we discuss about most important concept of economics for managers. Today topic is gross domestic product, GDP. Gross domestic product is the total value of goods and services produced in a country. GDP in a country in a financial year. GDP is measured over a specific over time frame, such as quarter or a year. GDP as an economic indicator used worldwide to show the economic health of a country. For low income or middle income country, high year on year GDP growth is essential to meet the growing needs of the population. Hence, the GDP growth rate of India is an essential indicator of the country economic development and progress. Besides measuring the health of the economy and helping the government is a farming policy, the GDP growth rate number are also useful for investigator in better decision making related to investment. Different countries have different method to calculate GDP. Let us take to close look at the GDP growth rate calculation in India. The Central Statistical Office or CSO is responsible for compiling data for calculating GDP. It aggregates the GDP data by coordinating with several federal or state-run agencies. Once data collections process is completed, the task of calculation the GDP begins. There are methods to arrive at the GDP number. For the calculation of GDP at factor cost, data is taken from 8 sectors, namely agriculture, mining, quarrying, manufacturing, forestry, fishing, electricity, and gas supply. Construction, trade, transport and communication, financial, real estate and insurance, and business services community, social and public services. For the calculation of expenditure based on GDP, all the spending incurred on final goods and services are added that include consumer spending, government spending, business investment spending, and net exports. GNP, gross national products. Gross national product is an estimate of the value of all the final products and services turned out in a given period by the means of production owned by a country residents. GDP is commonly calculated taking the sum of personal consumption expenditure, private domestic investments, government expenditure, net export, and any income earned by residents from overseas investment minus income earned within the domestic economy by the foreign residents. Net exports represent the difference between what a country exports minus any imports of goods and services. The gross national product is related to another important economic measure called gross domestic products or GDP, which takes into account all out produced within a border regardless of who owns the means of production. GDP start GNP start with GDP, add residence investment income from overseas investment, and subtract foreign residence investment income earned within a country. Gross national product measure the total monetary value of the output produced by a country residents. Therefore, any output produced by foreign residents within a country border must be excluded in conclusions of gross national product, while any output produced by the country residents outside of its border must be counted. Gross national product does not include intermediary goods and services. To avoid double counting service, they are already incorporated in the value of final goods and services. Thank you.